If your LG dishwasher requires an air gap, it is recommended to routinely remove debris and blockages to maximize dishwasher performance. Blockages in the air gap may result in an OE error code or slow drainage. Be sure to turn off the dishwasher before you start. First, remove the air gap cover. Remove the cap covering the tube. Look to see if there is any blockage. Use tweezers to remove any obstruction. End by using a tube brush to clear any remaining debris. Reattach the cap over the tube and air gap cover. Power on your dishwasher and run a cycle.